Making your presentation's purpose unforgettable. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on a very important aspect of public speaking and presentations: how to reinforce the purpose of your presentation. This is all about making sure your audience doesn't just remember what you said, but also why it matters. So, let's get started. Before we dive into how to reinforce your purpose, let's first understand why it's important. The purpose of your presentation is your key message, the central idea you want your audience to remember. Reinforcing your purpose helps ensure your key message is clear and unforgettable, which is crucial in making your presentation effective and impactful. One way to reinforce the purpose of your presentation is by understanding and leveraging the rule of primacy and recency. This rule suggests that people tend to remember the first and last things they hear. So, make sure your purpose is clearly articulated at the start and end of your presentation. This repetition will cement your purpose in your audience's minds. Another great technique for reinforcing your purpose is to use examples and stories. People are naturally drawn to stories and can often remember them better than facts or figures. Make sure your examples and stories are relevant and tie back directly to your purpose. This will help your audience understand and remember your purpose. Repeat and reinforce your purpose throughout the presentation. You can do this by summarizing your main points at the end of each section, always tying them back to your purpose. This consistent reinforcement will make your purpose resonate with your audience, helping them to understand and remember it. There you have it. By understanding the importance of reinforcing your purpose, using the rule of primacy and recency, incorporating examples and stories, and repeating and reinforcing your purpose, you can ensure your audience remembers the core message of your presentation. We hope this video was helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will get at reinforcing your purpose and making your presentations more effective. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.